Hello everyone. I know I haven't posted in a while. We're fixing up my office and craft room right now. So everything's in boxes and I haven't been able to craft at all and it's driving me nuts. But I do have a couple things that I got that are in loose little boxes and hopefully you'll enjoy these in the meantime until I'm able to craft again and share that. So this is a while back I was watching my Froggy stuff. If obviously I think everyone knows who that is, but she was unboxing some silicone babies, miniature silicone babies. And I'm usually not into the silicone baby scene, but these looked really cute. And of course they're miniature and they're small, so they're adorable. And so I wanted to try to see if I liked them or not. So I ordered 2 boys from this company, Silicone Snuggle Babies on Etsy. And they have their own website as well. And so when I first opened the box, I got 2 certificate of authenticities because I got 2 babies. So they gave me 2. They're just blank on the other side. They give you the receipt. They're wrapped in tissue paper. I can feel they're already really soft. So this is the boy. I was going to get a boy and a girl, but then I kind of wanted 2 boys because I wanted twins. I did get the medium colored skin. They had a light, medium, and dark. They are anatomically correct, as you can see. They're super soft, very like spongy, very squishy. The body has blushing, which is nice. The little face, it looks so cute. Got a little chin going, his little mouth. See how he's like bendy? He does have his little seam going. His mold seam, I guess. You can tell, like on the legs and stuff. But yeah, you can see the seams. He's got little fists. One hand is a fist, and the other one has his little thumb out. The detail on his hand is really cute. There is a lot of detail, as you can see on the face. Let's turn him around sideways, the little ears. You can see the seam. Come on, focus. There you go. And then this is the back. Some blushing. You can see the backs of the feet. If I could focus, there it goes. This foot seems to have a little line in it. I guess the seam went across the foot. So I made it look like a little bit like that. And that's him. It's a little silicone baby. Baby boy. He's adorable. He's like maybe about 2 inches or so. 2.5 inches. So cute. Let's see. I think the other one's exactly the same. I want to check them. Oh no, I got a lighter and a darker one. Okay. Okay, so this is the dark colored skin. I think he's adorable. I forgot about that. Okay. So he's adorable too. Beautiful skin color. His face mold is the same as the other one. He's got blushing on his body. Same seams along the sides. Anatomically correct. Little thumb, seam. He's got the seams along the sides. He still has some blushing on his back and bum. He has the same, must be the mold then. He has the same seam line across the foot. Oh, this one has it too, just not as bad. Guess that's her mold or something. He's the same size. And he's adorable. So squishy, same silicone feel, wiggly, soft, very bendy. So I'm going to put them next to each other so you can see the difference. The difference is just the skin tone. The face mold is the same. The body's the same. And the seam lines are the same, so it's the same mold. This one seems a little bit more smiley, maybe? Or it's just the way it's turned. No, I think it's the same face mold. He's smiley too. I think they're adorable. They're little, they're tiny. I can put them in a diorama just fine. I think they'll fit 1/6 scale dolls like Barbie. Or you can just make a baby room, a nursery room box and display them. And I might do that with these babies. Or I might display them with a Barbie family or something when I have this time and space to do it. But I think overall, I think they're really cute. They're 2.5 inch. I'm just looking at the information right now. One, it's the Bailey face mold, and they're called micro mini full body silicone baby painted. One is Caucasian and the other one, the flesh color is one is Caucasian and the other one's biracial. Okay, that's what the receipt says. And I believe they cost about, oh, and they did come with, a silicone snuggle baby care sheet, the do's and don'ts, bathe in water, wash with soap, dress in loose fitting clothes and diapers, use a pacifier of any type, it doesn't fit. Silicone picking up hair and dirt, use baby powder, don't pull out the skin, don't pull the fingers or toes, it might break. Don't bathe it in chemicals, don't put in your mouth. And how to maintain it. obviously this is for collectors or responsible doll collectors because they are miniature and they are small and they are silicone and delicate. Can't remember how much I paid for them. I don't think it says on the receipt. It's been a while that they've been in a box, but they weren't expensive. I want to say they were like $40 or so each. Maybe. I'm not sure. And it doesn't say on the package. So, yeah, I don't remember how much I paid. If I remember or if I find the receipt, I'll put it in the description. So again, this is silicone snuggle babies. I got it off Etsy, but apparently they have a website as well. And you do get a little certificate of authenticity. And I just love them. I think they're so cute. They're so cute. These are the only silicone babies I'll probably have. But it's adorable. And I'm glad to add them to my doll collection. They're small, which I love. And they're different. They're very different than, you know, resin or vinyl dolls or anything. So it's a nice little addition to my doll collection. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I hopefully will make another video soon. I did get some clothes for these babies, but I don't think they fit. So the next video we'll do a try on. I don't think it'll fit on these dolls because they're too tight. So I think I'll be testing them out on Barbie babies. It says that they fit Barbie babies as Barbie babies. So I guess I'll test out the clothes on those since I don't think they fit on these. I think they're too tight. And I'm scared because of their little limbs are so small. I think I'm just going to make little, like those baby snuggle bags or what are they called? Oh, I can't remember what they're called. Baby sacks or something like that for them to be in. Because it has to be loose. I didn't think about that when I ordered these little clothes, and I got 3 little cute sets and they're adorable. So I definitely want to keep them. So I think that'll be the next video. Okay, I hope you enjoy. And if you like these, I'll put the description below of the website if you didn't get it from the cards that I showed, and you can get one of your own. I do want to get a little girl to add, and hopefully soon I'll have another little baby edition. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.